Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Roblox error code 403 forbidden error on web browser. Method 1. Clear browsing data. On Chrome browser, click on the three dot at the top right, then select History. In the History menu, select History. Next, select Clear browsing data. On the time range, select All time. At last, click Clear data. On Firefox browser, click on three dashes at the top right, then select History. Select Clear recent history. On the time range to clear, select Everything. Click OK. On Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot at the top right, then select History. In the History, click on three dot at the top right, then select Clear browsing data. Now, select time range you want clear. I recommend you choose all time. At last, click Clear now. Once done, try visit Roblox and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Using Google DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option, then type 8888 and 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, visit Roblox and see if problem is fixed. Method 3. Clear DNS cache. On your keyboard, press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC and check if the error code 403 is resolved. Method 4. Power cycle your router. Power down and unplug the modem and the router if you're using one. Allow to sit for 60 seconds unplugged. Plug in and turn on the modem and router, and allow them to completely boot up until the front panel connection lights on the modem show a steady connection. Visit Roblox and see if the error code 403 is resolved. I hope something helps.